Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the switch statement in C. In the previous session, we had seen the nested else if statement. Hope you have understand it. Now, in this lecture we cover the point switch statement in C. When you want to solve multiple option type problem, suppose there are so many options and you have to decide one option from that. For example, menu like program where one value is associated with each option and you need to choose only one at a time, then the switch statement is used. The switch statement is a control statement that allow us to choose only one choice among the many given choices. The control statement that allow us to make the decisions from number of choices, it is called as the switch statement, or more correctly it is called as the switch case and default statement. The switch case statement are the substitute for a long if statement that compare a variable to several integral values. The switch statement is a multi-way branch statement. It provides an easy way to dispatch execution to different part of code based on the value of the expression. That means when there are so many options, multiple options will be there. So we use the switch statement for proper decision making. Switch is a control statement that allow a value to change the control of execution. The general syntax of the switch statement is like that: switch, and here is the condition, opening curly brace, case 1 break, case 2, here number of statement will be between the case 1, case 2 up to case n, and the last case is the default case. Default, here is the colon is used for case ending and code to be execution if n does not match any case. So this is the syntax of the switch statement. Now we see how the flowchart of the switch statement will be drawn. Here is the expression, single expression. Now here, if this expression is equal to case constant 1, then the code block 1 will be executed, and if this case is false, then it will be jumped to the another case. And here, if the condition expression or single expression will equal to the case control constant 2, then it will be execute the code block 2, and the control is go for the end statement of the switch statement. And if this second condition is false, then the control go to the next condition, and if this all the conditions are not satisfied, then the control go to the default case. So this is the flowchart of the switch statement. Now what are the rules for using the switch statement? The expression after the switch keyword must yield an integer value, that is expression should be an integer or a variable or an expression that evaluates to an integer. Second rule is that the case label value must be unique. The case label value must be unique. That means here see in the syntax case 1, case 2, case 3, this label 1, 2, 3, 4 are the label, and this value is unique for each statement. The case label must end with a colon. The case label must end with the colon. The next line after the case statement can be any valid C statement. Now next one is the point to be remembered. We don't use those expression to evaluate switch case which may return the floating point value or a string or a character. There is only integer value that can be passed to the switch statement. Second point is that break statement are used to exit the switch block. If it is not necessary to use the break after each block, but if you do not use it, then all the consecutive block of code will get executed after matching the block. Suppose consider that there is a variable I, integer variable I assign the value 1 to that variable and pass the value to that particular switch statement. Here case 1 printf A, case 2 printf B, no break statement will be there. Case 3 printf C, and here is the break statement I use. Now when this program is executed, it will be show the output like that A, B, C, because all the cases are executed and it will be break from here. The output was supposed to only A because only first case match, but there is no break statement. How the first case will be matched? Because the value of I equal to 1. So here 1 is passed to switch statement and case 1. So this will be match. So it will be show the output it will be show the output A. But there is no any break statement after that block, then the next blocks are executed too. Until a break statement in encountered or execution reaches the end of the switch block. The next statement is the default case is executed when none of the mentioned case match the switch expression. That means when there is no any match condition will be found, then the control goes to the default case. The default case can be placed anywhere in the switch case, even if we don't include the default case, because the default case is optional. The switch statement also work without the default case statement. The next one is the nesting of switch statement is allowed, which means you can have switch statement inside the another switch block. However, the nested switch statement should be avoided as it make a program more complex and less readable. So, but nesting of the switch statement is allowed. For example, here suppose I take the menu driven program void. Here in the main function I take 4 variable of integer type A, B, C and choice, and here while choice is not equal to 3, here opening brace printf 1, press 1 for addition, press 2 for subtraction, enter your choice, taking user through input, scanf %d comma ampersand choice, and this choice is passed to that particular switch statement. And if this choice is match, then it will be take that perform that action. Suppose here I give the choice 1. So here enter 2 number. It again asks, the compiler again asks enter 2 number. Suppose I give 2 and 3. Then it will be added this 2 number 2 and 3 and assign the result to the C, and here the value of C will be printed and break from that switch statement. So friend, suppose there is a suppose I take the choice 5. Here it will be matched that. Here is the expression, constant expression will be there, and the output of that expression is only in integer format. So here 5. Is the case 1 is matched to 5? No. Case 2? No. So it will be goes to default statement and you have passed a wrong key. Press any key to continue. It will be show the option. Now what is the difference between the switch and if statement? The if statement can evaluate float conditions. Switch statement cannot evaluate float condition. If statement can evaluate relational operators. Switch statement cannot evaluate relational operator. That is, they are not allowed in the switch statement. Only constant value will be allowed in the switch statement. Now see another program of the switch statement here. Let's look that program. Here in the main function I take a choice variable of integer type, and here is the menu. Printf press 1 to greet your dad, printf press 2 to greet your mom, and printf press 3 to greet yourself. Here choice, and this choice will be passed to the switch function, opening curly brace, case space 1 colon, here printf hello dad, you how are you, then break, then case 2, here hello mom how are you, message will be there and break, and case 3 in that case 3 I take a message hello Awesome how are you and break, and default case invalid choice, and closing curly brace return 0 closing of main. Suppose this menu will be seen like that, and I choose the choice 1, then it will be show the message, hello dad, how are you. So this is the example of the switch statement. Now note that the above program offers 3 choices to the user. A choice entered by the user is stored in the variable choice. So in switch statement, the value is checked with all the case constant, and if it will be match, then it will be executed the block of statement according to that particular case statement. And if the user choice does not match, then within any case statement, then the statement followed by the default will be executed. So hope you have understand today's lecture. If you have any query, then ask me. Thank you, friends.